Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get Klaviyo installed onto your Shopify store and get started with things up, show you how to set up a couple flows real quick, or it's pretty much really what we're going to do. So I'll go ahead and get down to business. First off, my name's Marquise. I've basically been working a lot with Shopify for a few years now, and I use Klaviyo quite often. This is a test account here that you're looking at. But yeah, here at howtoecom.us, we are definitely utilizing this, but just understand it's a very powerful email automation tool with a lot of combinations. Like, even if you just look at this, so this sales was not attributed to email flows, and it shows you it right here. It'll show you if it comes from a campaign, if it came from a flow. So yesterday that was just a one-off sale that just came in somewhere. But let me go ahead and show you how to get started. So if you're in Shopify, on the Shopify store, you'll go to search and you'll just type in Klaviyo or Klaviyo. Some people pronounce it that way, some people pronounce it another way. You'll see marketing automation. Do not go here. This is not the same thing, although it's got good ratings. It's not the same thing. This is quite literally one of the most powerful email marketing tools you could use for a Shopify store, and there's a lot of reasons why that's the case. Cart abandonment series. It allows you to collect data on customers, and it will learn on its own how to properly achieve with the goals better, and all types of things. It collects things really well, and they have really good developers. I've called and talked with them several times. They help me out, and I'm marketing with a few other people here. But you'll hit add app, and I'm not going to add it because I already have it on the store. But just like if you were to click add app, it will take you back to your store and just literally sign you in. Literally, it's brought you to this page. So I'm just going to close that. But this is the information you would have to enter to create your account: your name, company's name, email address, all of this, company URL, and you can choose, if you want the walkthrough and stuff as well as an option. It's pretty useful there. Klaviyo, like I said, is just really good. So basically, if we're here, we're going to go ahead and get down into flows. So I'll show you some example flows that I already have integrated into my store. This is, like I said, this is a test account, so the flows are pretty much already made, and just to show it. But this is a simple one. And so what's cool is Klaviyo will already give you abandoned cart things, and you can turn it on its own. Like, these were installed already on their own. Klaviyo just had that. These are the ones that we created. So, like, for example, cart abandonment flows number 1. Typically, flow will be like 2-3 emails, 2 to 4 normally emails that run. See, so this one is it's just 3 emails, but you'll come here and how about we just go from scratch? That should probably be easier, just so people can know what it looks like and get familiar with things, and I can better do it. So you'll go here and you'll click create flow, and we're just gonna say test abandonment. My spelling is horrendous. What's cool and what is important is to add tags. So if you say abandon, for customers who abandon their cart, will be exactly what this is for. So you hit create flow. And you can use a template that you saw there earlier. You can use a template from your library to create it, but the trigger is important. What's going to get it started? So in this case, we're going to go with like a particular metric here. The metric that they're looking for is, let's see here, checkout started. So they started to check out, but they didn't finish. That's basically that. And it won't, like, if they check out the start and fulfilled the order or ordered the product, it won't run. But that's basically how it works. And you know what's even better? You can make it viewed product instead. So people who, just view product, you can run something to them. That's what's really cool. I wonder if they have another type. Okay, no, they don't. But checkout started. Excuse me. So these are like different filters you could use. So like, let's say if you just add a different type of filter, you could say when they hit checkout started in a dimension they'll add. So let's say like when the amount of items contains, you know, anything, this particular item from the store, and then you can hit save. So it's only triggered just for that. Now obviously that's super detailed and close knit, but we're not going to go that far in. It's just showing you all the different things that are various there, that are like unique to this. What's cool about Klaviyo is that your first 250 subscribers are free. They'll send out emails, as many as possible, to all of them. They don't really have an email restriction. I'll show that in the plans when we're done. Different plans you can select. Time delay, this is sweet. That's what I like about it. You can, like, so you put in time delay here. You can configure it to days, weeks, or hours. So let's say we do it 6 hours after someone started to check out. Conditional split, even more complex here. It just gets extra. We're gonna leave that one out for now. This is just a basic tutorial. So after you get done there, we're gonna go ahead and start putting in an email. 6 hours. Click on this. See, what's cool is you can make it smart sending, so it will send basically people who already have seen and received it. They won't get a double one, and they won't get it too recently. So it's really refined here. So let's just go ahead and take a look and edit this bad boy. So this is just an example here. Create context, use text. So basically email subject would be like, oh my goodness, wow. Talk about my spelling. I'm a horrendous speller. I studied engineering, and spelling was never my strong suit. I'm just going to duplicate this just to make it easier here. Alright. So there's a lot of different things you could do with how to improve this here. So this is just a text way of doing things. Pretty boring. Hi, first names, just for you. Hope you like it. So that's what that looks like. I'm not going to type things all the way out. I'm just going to show you kind of what the options look like. There we go. Drag and drop editor. There we go. One straight column. Simple. So this is nice in the fact that you can drag and drop different images you have here and a main heading. And it can get real complex. For just abandonment series, it'd be way simpler than this. Drastically simpler than this. So like I could, if you want to add a certain button there, and you can, for add to carts and things like that, you can link it to a URL. So like, and like you can test it. So what's really cool is in this example, if we hit save content, and then I select like test or something like that. I'm definitely not going to save that as a template, but hit done here. You can send a test email and things like that. It's pretty cool. So if I hit preview, it'll show what it looks like. Of course, it doesn't actually have the things like that, but you can click this and it will take you to, oh, I typed that in wrong. Typed in how to ecom.us, but you get the idea. It's pretty. If I go ahead and delete this, I'm gonna go ahead and put in this email. use a template from library. This is what I'm talking about. This is one of the things that makes Klaviyo so nice. There are other like email automation service providers that do that, but like look at how clean these look. They're so clean. So all right, this is actually one of them. This is actually one that is a cart abandonment series. So you almost grab something off our shelves. Coupon code automatically generated. That's something that Klaviyo does. It will automatically generate coupon codes, and you can visit the store, and it'll actually go there. So the social media links, all of that. That's basically Klaviyo in a nutshell. There's a lot that you can do to put things together and whatnot. But that's just the basics of what things look like. It's pretty simple. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this because I don't want it to. It will only like trigger once you like set it up to trigger. It won't automatically do it on its own. So I'm just save an X and delete it from the other stuff. Where's test abandonment? Don't even know where it went. But yeah, that's pretty much the whole shebang, how things work. Really simple, pretty easy to work through. As you work through it, obviously you'll learn more and more things. And there's more videos to come here at howtoecom.us. So just so you know, don't forget to check out our blog and things like that. We do a lot of different things to help people out, mainly affiliates and whatnot, showing people how to properly do things and set things up for their stores. So, but this is basically us like really just helping educate people. If you got any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to leave information in the comments, and feel free to check out our blog or our website. Just so you know, just a disclaimer, all the links below in the description are affiliate links. We do receive a commission on it, just so that you're aware. But drop a like, subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching. Take it easy. Thanks. See you next time.